Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to turn off tag notifications for joined groups on Facebook using your PC. Facebook's recent update has made it easier to manage your notifications, especially for those pesky group tags that can flood your inbox. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to regain control of your Facebook experience. First, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Give it a click. Now, in the notifications drop-down, you'll spot 3 dots in the upper right corner. Click on those 3 dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can fine-tune your notification preferences. On the Notification Settings page, you'll see various categories listed on the left side. Look for and click on Tags. This section controls how you're notified when you're tagged in posts, comments, and yes, those group mentions. Here's the crucial part. Scroll down until you find the Joined Groups option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click that toggle to disable notifications for tags in groups you've joined. And just like that, you've turned off those overwhelming group tag notifications. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page if you want to turn the notifications back on or adjust other preferences. Facebook is constantly updating its features, so it's a good idea to check your settings periodically. By following these simple steps, you've taken control of your Facebook notifications and can enjoy a less cluttered, more personalized experience on the platform. No more constant pings from group tags you didn't ask for. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly peaceful Facebook feed.